Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you will be fine. This is Oxford Social Studies for class 2. Now come to the page number 31. First of all, mention date and day on the top of the page. Today we are going to start unit number 4 and the title of the unit is Natural Resources. Natural Resources. Actually, natural resources are resources that exist without any actions of human beings. Natural resources are resources that exist without any actions of human beings. For example, air, water, light, animals, plants, etc. Now let's start reading. What are natural resources? Many things occur naturally. Some of these are land, soil, water, plants, animals, minerals, air, and light. They are called natural resources. We need some of these natural resources to stay alive. Others are needed to make our lives better. Things like air, light, water, plants, and animals help us. Other things like minerals, soil, and fossil fuels are used to make things that are important for us. So natural resources are found in all over the earth. And these are the things in nature. We need them to live. We need some of them to stay alive. For example, we need air to breathe. We need water to drink. We need plants to eat. And we need soil to grow plants. Other things are used to make our lives better. Whereas some natural resources, for example, soil, minerals, and fossil fuels are used to make things that are important for us. Fossils are preserved traces or remains of old dead organisms. Next, air. All living things breathe air. We cannot live without air. The air that we breathe must be clean. Plants and trees keep the air fresh. They add oxygen to it. All living things need oxygen to breathe. Air is one of the most important natural resources in nature. All living things need air to breathe. We can't live without air. It must be clean, so plants and trees play an important role to keep the air fresh and clean. They add oxygen to it. Human beings and animals need oxygen to live. And as you know that plants and trees need carbon dioxide to live, and it is present in the air. Now turn to next page. It's page number 32. Sometimes there are fumes in the air. When coal, oil, gas, and wood are burned, they give off fumes. Cars, motorcycles, trucks, and buses give off fumes. Factories also produce fumes. It is not good to breathe fumes. Breathing them can make people sick. Fumes can also harm plants and animals. As you can see in the first picture, fumes coming out of cars and factories. Fumes are actually irritating smoke and gases that are dangerous for us. Fumes are the major cause of air pollution. When coal, oil, gas, and wood are burned, they give off fumes. Cars, motorbikes, buses, and trucks give off fumes. Fumes are also produced by factories, and it is very harmful for us because breathing fumes can make us sick, and fumes are also harmful for plants and animals. Next, tires are filled with air. Air also dries our clothes. Moving air is called wind. Wind is powerful, and people use this power in many ways. There are many uses of air. For example, tires are filled with air, and we use air to dry our clothes. Moving air is called wind, and we use wind power in many ways. For example, we use this power to sail in sailboats. And we also use this power to produce electricity. Next, what did you learn? Answer the questions in your notebook. Question number 1 is, why is air important for us? And the answer is, air is important for us because we cannot live without air. Next question is, what is wind? How do we use it? And the answer is, moving air is called wind. We use it to dry our clothes, to sail in sailboats, and also to make electricity using windmills. And the next question is, what makes the air dirty? And the answer is, fumes from cars, buses, and factories make the air dirty. And the last question is, why is dirty air bad? And the answer is, dirty air is bad for our health. It can make us ill. In this chapter, we learned that air is one of the most important natural resources of the earth. And I hope you have understood the lesson. See you soon, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.